Link, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you guys are new. If you're new, I do Disney related videos and lifestyle videos, so if you like that, you guys should definitely subscribe. But in today's video, we are doing a Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxing, or Bibbidi unboxing. If you guys don't know what Bibbidi is, it is a Disney monthly subscription box, what I love about Bibbidi is they let you decide kind of what you want. You can have preferences. You can say what you like to collect, what's your favorite Disney characters, what you don't like to collect. And also they have different boxes such as Disney, they have Marvel and Star Wars and Harry Potter. So it's just amazing. And you can switch it up. It's totally cool. You can change the sizes of the box, or you can ask for a theme and stuff like that, and it's really great. I'll definitely link their website down below, but this is my third time getting it, so this is for the month of June, and I'm so excited. I think I got the Imagination Ultimate Magic. I got the highest one, which is about $120. And what I love about it is that they put this little plastic seal around the box to keep it all nice. So that's really cool. I've never shown that on my channel, but I just wanted to show you guys that they do package it very well. So let me just rip this off. Oh, it's really easy to take off too. Just whoop. It's sticking to me now. Oh, I'm so excited. So I did ask for a theme box. I'm not sure if they did it or not, but I did ask for a theme one, and I asked for a Rapunzel theme box. So let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. Oh, it's falling. So you have a little postcard, and it has Duffy and like Duffy's friends, I assume. I'm not huge on Duffy. I don't really know much about Duffy. So it says, "I think our wishes will come true." And that made Duffy and his friends very happy. That's so cute. But on the back, they recently started this last month. It says, "Got a sec, share a photo or video on Instagram and tag them." And my box was curated by Amanda. So thank you, Amanda, for my box. I'm so excited. And then we have a Duffy, confetti just fell, but I don't want to see it, but there's a Duffy spoiler alert, so it tells you what's inside the box and how much it is. And again, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. They have like a little Bibbidi sticker, and tissue paper is pink, and I'm so excited. Like, oh my god. Okay, I'm going to rip this open. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Sorry. Oh my god. So there's a red box, and if you guys don't know what a red box means, it's a Jim Shore box. And I'm so excited because I asked for a certain Jim Shore that I've been wanting for the longest time, and we're not going to touch that yet. So right now, I see this little cute thing, and I absolutely love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I almost purchased this past weekend, so I'm definitely glad I did it. And what I love is that I also like Marvel, I like Star Wars and Disney, and Bibbidi puts all three into my box, and I really love that they do that. So if you guys want to check out my other box videos, I'll have a playlist linked down below. But I got, it's a little Ewok, and it's like a little wristlet. I don't know what it's called. I'm a tomboy, I don't really know. But it's so cute. Look at how cute that is. It's a little Ewok. And it's Ballet Loungefly. This texture right here is like, I don't know, but it's so soft and it's so cute. Look at his little ears. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. There's not a print really inside. It just says the Pop, Loungefly, and Star Wars in it in black. And it's so cute. Oh my god. My boyfriend's not going to believe this because I really wanted this, and I almost bought it this past weekend. So I'm so glad. Thank you, Amanda. It's so adorable. Oh, just took off the plastic. See, little wrist. And it's so cute. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's another. Oh, there's stickers in here. Wow. I've never gotten stickers before. This is exciting. Okay. So it came in this little bag. And we got the hitchhiking ghost. So that's cool. And then we got the enchanted tiki room. Nobody hate on me, but I've never been in the enchanted tiki room before, like ever, which is sad because I always go to Disneyland. I have a Disneyland pass. Like I've never been in it, not that I remember, but there's that sticker. And then there's this one that says goodbye, adios, ciao, and aloha, which I'm assuming has to do with like Epcot. Not 100% sure, but it's really cute. We like that. And I really like this one. It says Tomorrowland, and it's a people mover sticker. And I actually went on the people mover at Disney World last year, so that's really cool. Let's see, there's a lot of this in here. Oh, Pixie's making a little appearance. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is a Lily & Co. bracelet. I don't own one, so this is really exciting. Oh my god, Pixie's really interested in what I got. So let's open it and see. Huh, Pixie? What do we have? Oh, the packaging, look, so cute. It has this little pouch. And I forgot whose video I watched, but it tells you, like, I guess how to wear it and like instructions. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna open it. Oh my god, it's like a rose gold color. It is. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It says, go live your dream. Aw, it's so cute. I think that's from Tangled. Go live your dream. I don't know 100%, but it's so cute. I don't really know how to put it on, but we'll figure it out eventually. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says go live your dream. I might do a close-up just so you guys can see, but it's so cute. It's so teeny. Is it gonna even fit my wrist? Oh, so it's a little big on my wrist, but I think you can bend it to where it will fit your wrist very well. So this is really cool. I'm not a huge fan of jewelry, but like simple stuff like this, and I like bracelets for some reason. Like I could work with this. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. I think the only thing left is the gym shore. I'm feeling around. I'm placing the gym shore. I think what it tells you is on that side. So let's see. Oh, there's a button in here. And it's an orange bird. He's so cute. Oh my god. It says, aren't you glad you're here? Oh, it's so cute. I love Orange Bird. Orange Bird is, the first time I saw Orange Bird was last year at Disney World, and I'm assuming he's like the mascot for like the Dole Whip, but like there's Orange Dole Whip, and I tried it there, and I like it better than the pineapple one. I don't know, but it's super cute. I absolutely love him. He's adorable. Okay, now for the gym shore. On this side it tells me I think what it is, because I don't see it anywhere else. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is my first gym shore, guys. Like, ooh. Okay, we're gonna try and open this. I'm already struggling. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god. Okay, there's like styrofoam. I'm not a huge fan of styrofoam, and neither is bolt. I had scissors somewhere in this mess. Found it. It's actually a boxing blade. Don't do this at home, kids. We're gonna open it all around. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Like, this is my first one ever, and I'm so excited. I don't even know where to put it. Like, where am I gonna put this? Where am I going to display it? You see Pixie in the background. Say, hi, Pixie. Pixie's my dog. Oh my god. I think it's Rapunzel. Oh my god. Okay. I think it's the one I asked for. Oh my god. I'm like, oh. Okay. It is. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my god, guys. Like. Oh my god. She's beautiful. Oh my god. Do you think she's beautiful, Pixie? She's all wacky her tail. Is she beautiful, mamas? Is she beautiful, mamas? Thank you. So it's a Rapunzel gym short and it's absolutely beautiful. And this is the one I asked for. Oh my gosh, she's so stunning. Oh my god. So she has her little pink palette right here, which is amazing. This is literally the one I asked for. And I love this one because I used to paint in college and I recently started painting again. So I was like, oh, this is like my little inspo. Oh, so cute. Even like the detail right here on the stand, that's beautiful. And the dress right here. And oh my god, her hair is just beautiful with all the little flowers on it. And just, I am like literally gonna die because it is so freaking cute. It's so cute. Oh, thank you, Bibbidi. Thank you, Amanda. This is adorable. I just don't know where I'm gonna put her. I have to find somewhere to put her because she's just so stunning. Guys, I'm just so happy about this. I really, really wanted it. I almost purchased it myself and I was just like, girl, you never know. Bibbidi might come through. And they did. Thank you so much. Oh my god, super cute. Oh my gosh, she's my favorite Disney princess. I would also say Aurora is my favorite, and I don't know who else, but like lately Rapunzel's been #1 and I just love her so much. I can relate to her so much. So I'm gonna put her right on my TV stand. And what happened to that? Oh, spoiler alert. So we're going to see how much everything was. So barely. Oh, that's funny. So I guess the stickers were just for funsies because it just says that it was zeroed out. So it was just for fun and thanking me for my patience. So I love that. So the little Ewok, it's an Ewok wristlet. That's the name of it, guys. It's $40. The button, I don't even know where it is. Oh, here it is. The button was $2. The gym short, Rapunzel, it says Adventurous Artist, so that's really cool, is $50. And then the Lily & Co. bracelet that I got, it is Rapunzel. So it was Rapunzel themed and it's so cute. So it is from Rapunzel. Go Live Your Dream bracelet was $32. So a total of $124, which is what basically I paid for and a little bit over, which is really nice. Oh my god, I don't know what's, probably the gym short item is my favorite item. Oh my god, like this is probably my most favorite box I've ever received. This is my 3rd box and just, she's so beautiful. I need to like put her on my desk and she's just so cute. I love it. Thank you, Bibbidi. Thank you, Amanda, who did my box. I'm just thankful for this. This is just amazing. This literally brings so much happiness and joy, especially with the park closed and everything, and just during this rough time in the world, it just brings me so much happiness and I really appreciate it. But if you guys liked today's video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what item you guys like that I received. And definitely I will link down below all Bibbidi's information, so you guys should definitely check out Bibbidi. Other than that, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel for more. And I'll catch up with you guys next time. So bye!